G'day guys, welcome back. We are back in the creek, but this time we are on the Seadoo Fish Pro with some crab pots. I told you it could be done, boys. So we're going to chuck the pots in. What we're going to do today is scoot over to Herald Island and give this baby a good test run. So check it out. Alrighty guys, so first job is to get the pots in the water. Let's do this. Bombs away. There we go, job done. Better put this away so the Sun City boys don't kick my ass when I bring it back. Away we go! Well, boys and girls, the weather is atrocious. I can't find anywhere nice and calm to sit and have a fish, so we're just gonna have a cruise around. I might put on a lure and have a troll, so see if we can pick up a mackerel or something. But if you've ever wondered what it would be like to ride a jet ski inside a washing machine, that's what it's like over there. Dead set terrible. Now, you're not supposed to run these things in shallow water or they suck the sand up, so that's why I turned it off. Alrighty guys, so this is the lure we're going to have a go with. A Halco 5 meter plus. I love the white and red. Don't know, they reckon the colour catches the fisherman, not the fish, but oh well. Always use loop knots too whenever I tie lures on, so I'll show you how to do that, guys, just in case you're curious. Grab it like that, put a loop in it, tag end through the hole, run the tag end through that, lift it up, tag end through the hole and back through again. Just like that. Wet the knot. That's it. Done. Your lures swim a little bit better that way. And well, it's as good a time as any. Sample a beverage. Looks beautiful over here, eh? As soon as you go out there, look at all them white caps. It's disgusting. One suggestion for you, Seadoo. Oh, you fucker. See? Drink holder. That's what I was just about to say. You need drink holders. Oh, it's graceful as a walrus. Cheers anyway. Alright, we got a line in the water, guys. We just have a troll around all these rocks and shit out here. You never know what's going to be kicking around. Alright guys, we haven't missed much. We're just still trolling around, staying over the quiet side of the island. We're over Rattlesnake side now, and we're just coming into this back bay. You see there's a big trawler or something out here too. He's hiding out of the weather. Don't know if you can see on camera or not, but it's like little bombies just under the water. Alright guys, well we've pulled up in this bay over here on the back side of Rattlesnake Island because it is freezing cold. The wind just won't let up and I've had enough, to be honest. I just need to get out of the wind. I'm freezing my ass off. There's nowhere where we can drop a line. It's just too windy even over here. I know it looks nice and calm and peaceful over here guys, but this is like a sheltered little bay. Trust me when I say it is terrible out there. We're gonna head back over into the creek, check the crab pots and yeah, scoot around in the creek and see what we can find. I might poke the camera underwater over the top of these bommies and just for a look. Lost my cobra. Cowboy hat was lost at sea. Let's all have a moment. Maybe crack a beer. Hey, there he is! There he is! Buddy, you're safe. We didn't catch any fish, boys and girls, but we did save a life. Woo! Yeah, where's that beer? There it is. These swells are pretty serious. The camera probably doesn't do it justice at all. You just have to take my word for it. Ah, I'll be killed. Reunited. Today is a good day. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright, coming into the mouth of we're coming into the mouth of the creek now, guys. Glad to get out of that washing machine. Have a go at this. Sandbars everywhere. Not a lot of room for error. Alright, so we're back in the creek. Just thought I'd give you a look. This is it, brand new Seadoo Fish Pro. So this is the jet ski designed for the fisherman. Comes standard as you see it here, plus there's another seat that goes there. I took that off because I had crab pots and shit, but has the esky already on there. Tinny's an optional extra, but you can move all these rod holders wherever you like, so you can, you know, position your shit wherever you want it. Bluetooth speaker system, which is here. I can't use that because I'm on my like 5th phone the month, so I don't have music on it. Garmin, Sena and plotter, which just turned off. Well, it's because we have the ignition off. Very impressed, very impressed. It absolutely hammers. Plenty of power. They do make a hot rod version, but not in the Fish Pro. So if you want the esky and all the cool stuff, this is the one you want. Seadoo GPS, so you don't get lost. Handy for blokes like me. Got this safety cord thing that you clip on, so if you do go bunny up, it'll just cut off and hopefully you can swim over to it. Let's go grab the pots, have a beer and go for a cruise around the creek. Alright guys, well another cool thing about these jet skis is they have a brake, like a proper brake. I never thought that was a thing with jet skis. Well, it never used to be anyway. So what I'm going to do is clamp the camera onto one of these mangroves and I'm going to go flying past and then jam on the brake so you can see what I'm talking about. So we'll just find a good tree and we'll set it up. So check this out. That's the brake. I work pretty good. You show you a front view. Full noise, then on the brakes. Ready? Go! I'm impressed. Oh yeah, you're kidding. Holy shit, nearly went in. That looks like 3 legal bucks. Boys and girls, yeehaw. Yep, I reckon yep. I reckon we have just got 3 legal bucks out of one pot. Well, that turned the day around, boys and girls. What am I going to do here? Sort them on the beach, I think. All right, just pull up on the beach here and sort these crabs out. But we are eating crab tonight, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so bait we used today was just chicken frames. That's it, just chicken frames. Look at that. That is a good crab. Big rusty buck. Got the Maltese cross. They don't get any fuller than that, guys. Once they've got that. He's well and truly over 15. He's 16, so he's coming home. Whoops, I'm out of electrical tape. That sucks. But there's one in the bank, boys. One in the bank. Oh, yes. You make me happy, Mr. Muddy. You can go in there. Oh no, he's grabbed that other one's nipper. This one's a horse. Look at the size of that crab. He's nice and full too. A shame old mate just knocked his nipper off, but he's 16 as well. We definitely got 3 keepers today. Definitely got 3 keepers. Let's try and keep them away from each other. This is a big crab. This is a very big crab. Let's go head cam. That is a monster. My God, look at that. That's my hand. What a fucking tank. Look at the wingspan on him, he's huge. What a dead set horse. I'm pumped. We are eating that for dinner. Yeah. And we get to take that nipper too, because that one was legal. And that leg. You got one more pot to go. Let's get this fella in the esky. Never chuck your boat away near a boat ramp either, guys, because the crocs will just start hanging around, and that's where you don't want them to be. Alright guys, here we go, pot number 2. It's a lot more difficult on a jet ski than it is in a boat, but we've just nailed it. There we go. Come on, back around, baby. Can we just clean up today? Wouldn't that be amazing? Fully redeem ourselves from our shitty mission over the islands. Oh, maybe. That's one maybe. We'll go check it out on the beach again and see if we've got another one. Oh, I'm tipping no. I reckon he's just under. Come on, mate. You're nearly out. There you go. Oh, you're a good crab. Nice and rusty. You're full. But are you big enough to be dinner? If you're not sure, guys, you're better off just saying no. Oh no, he is legal. There you go. But we've already got enough. 3 crabs is heaps, so I'm gonna let this one go. Not if you try and bite me, you prick. Alright buddy, I'll catch you when you're a couple of centimeters bigger. See ya. See you, mate. Time to go. Oh, I'm not even going to measure you. See you later, mate. Actually, buddy, if you go over here, I'll give you a nice feed of chicken to take with you. Oh, there you go, mate. Have a good day. Got a good feed for dinner. That's all you need, isn't it? Hopefully no crocs are coming. I'm splashing around like an idiot. Look at that. That shits me, eh? Take your rubbish with you, you grubs. What if a little kid's down here playing? Obviously don't have kids. Alright, let's go get this bitch on the trailer. Don't forget guys, safety third. That was the first ride or test ride or test ski. Why do they call them jet skis? Why don't they just call them motorcycle or water cycles or, you know, something like that? But there you go. We did it. We came, we tackled the weather. We didn't catch a single fish, or we didn't even put any bait in. Just so you know, I did buy a whole block of fresh pilchards. Didn't even use one of them. So we will be going fishing again, guys. But we did get 3 legal mud crabs, or 4, but we chucked one back. We had a good time, we had a few beers. That's what it's all about. So if you are in the market for one of these bad boys, hit up the team at Sun City. They are the BRP Power Sport dealer in Townsville. So if you want a Seadoo or a Can-Am buggy or side-by-side or quad or whatever, hit them up, they'll do you a deal. Tell them the pig sent you, and we will catch you on the next one, eh? Be good, see ya.